Alex Ramirez here, and today sorry about that, guys, but he just got confused. This isn't really his tablet. Sorry about that, guys. No. Come on, I can make it. I made it. Yes, I made it. I made it to the easy zone. Okay, today we're gonna be playing Flood Escape, and my cousin is gonna join again. I'm feeling very pumped. Except I'm not gonna be able to be with them right there because what you doing? Don't leave him. Let's go round and round. Stop singing the Wheels on the Bus. That's a baby song. You're the youngest here. I know I'm the youngest, but that's a baby song. On my screen, it's loading content. Yep. Very easy content. Like content of pump action content. Like contact. Okay, guys, we made it. Wait, what? Wasn't that the door we just came from? That's kind of weird. Hey, I'm gonna wait for you to come back. Okay, once you're finished. Right now, I'm gonna be downstairs. Look, there's an update. Flood Gauntlet. Look, update. Update for the Flood Escape. Okay. Look, you can jump down here now. Okay, guys, I knew not to go up the ladder, cause I've played this game before a lot of times with my cuz, right? That's right. I'm taunting. Ah. How do you like playing around so much? That's just me. Hey, you wanna know what you should have done, Gabriel? Wanna know what you should have done? You should have wore your Flood Escape vest. Oh yeah, why did I? Oh dang it! How dare you! You really should have wore your Flood Escape vest. Yeah, but you made me lost. Wait for me! Is the game starting? Hurry, it's about to be full. No, you need to leave this game. You need to leave this game. I wish I had 7 Robux left, because I had 10. No! Hurry! Go! Go! Yes! I'm in. Hello. I really wish my cuz could have made a video with me. But, of course, iPhone 6 doesn't have, like, Mobizen for Samsung, for iPhones. Yeah, only, like, tablets. Only, like, Samsungs. So y'all could guys make a video too. All of y'all need is YouTube. You have to make an account. Oh, it's coming. You have to make an account. And then you need to download the app called Mobizen, whatever you call it. I cheated. No! Why are you raging, man? I'm not raging. Yeah, okay guys, I'm spectating my Seemly Super, which is my cuz 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and cuz I died and I didn't know where to go. Now I like this map they're in. This is a cool map. Can they actually kill us with that? Maybe. I hope not. I'm looking at myself. No, they can't kill you with that because that won't be fair. Come on. Who's left? That guest. And that guy down there. That has an account. You know, if the last person comes in and you're on the people. What the heck did he just scream for? I don't even know how he even managed to scream. Probably a taunt. Taunting. 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 Oh guys, I'm keep on lying. Cause in my other video, I'm dead. Slender, I'm dead. I said I'm a play Roblox High School. What was it called? Hey, cuz I died. I was gonna play. I died. I was gonna play Roblox High School, but then I saw Flood Escape, and I knew and saw Flood Escape, and I wanted to play. I fell. Why'd you die? It was an accident. I didn't even see you die. The viewers saw you. I tried taking the other way. The viewers saw you, but I did it. It's like, shut up. How do you go? Let's go. We're dead. I like box shot. No! Box shot is a good map. Move, lady. I'll push you out of the way if you don't. I'll let everyone else do the work. Box shot is easy. Yeah. I was gonna be the first one, and I was. No, you weren't. I was here. Yeah, I was. Oh, my foot was inside, but then you came in. The box shot is easy. Why didn't you bring your flood escape vest? I don't know. I don't know why. It's just because I was making a video so quickly. And anybody got time for that. Oh, this one's easy too. Anybody had time for that. I just did this one. Yeah, I like this one. It's easy. Somebody go and press the button. Yes. Somebody press the green button. You can't get in. Please don't tell me I'm about to die. You idiot! Press the button! Thank you, woman. Hurry, get up here! I'm trying to. Or else you're doomed! Like doo-doo. By doomed, I mean doo-doo. Yes! Guys, I made it. I actually want to win the third one. When is the third one? Is it? I only have one win. No access. Okay, I like this map. I've never played this map. What do I do? Wait, how do I pass? How'd you get there? I pressed the button. She has a gravity coil, so she can get up, but I'm doomed. I don't like that map. Okay, okay, join over here. Well, guys, next video we're gonna make a video of Roblox High School. For sure, though. For sure. No doubt. No doubts, cause I fell. No doubts, cause I like this game, and maybe no, I'm just lying. We'll make another video of this game, cause it's cool and easy. It depends on what you guys want us to play. Yeah. But we also do it for. We also just like playing games. Yeah, normal games like Flood Escape and Escape the. Escape the. Workers. Daycare center. If y'all saw me play daycare center, if you didn't, then no, I was pushed by the stupid guest. I knew. No! The rage. The rage. Dang it! There's room for 3 more players. How do you know? It says right there. Now that's how much players are in the game. Oh, I'm gonna spectate somebody. I'm gonna spectate Wise Crystal. She even has a thingy. I think. Oh yeah, she has the gravity coil. No, but no wonder she's getting all those wins. Yeah. How many wins does she have? Not really sure to be honest. She has 12. Look, she can legitimately just jump right up there. I don't know what she's doing. What are you doing? Oh, she's trying to play it the normal way. So she only uses her coil when, I guess. She's about to die. Yep. I'd rather be cheating. Hey, that guy copied me, but we have different suits. He has the same hair as I do, and the same face as I do. Except different hair color. And he has, he has a black one. He has black hair. I have black hair. He got shiny teeth. I got shiny teeth. But we got different suits. Oh, I know. She's helping them. She's pressing on.